Black and white Asians, we are one. Black and white Asians, we are one. Yeah.
Our people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. As we are talking, Wike's soldiers, Wike's police, whoever, had been flying over my house and my compound in the last 30 minutes with 2 helicopter gunships. I have the capacity to contain them. Nigeria cannot surrender to Wike. Rivers people will not surrender to Wike. Ijaw people will not surrender to Wike. I have the capacity to contain them. And the government knows that I have the capacity to contain them. As I've been containing other people. Let them tell Wike to back off. I am 60 years old. I've never been afraid of death. I've always embraced death. I'd always embraced death. So I am not afraid of death. So all those who are there, when the helicopter is shot down, let nobody blame them. I didn't go and look for the helicopter to shoot them down. I will shoot down the helicopter. I will shoot down the helicopter. I swear by Allah that I will shoot down the helicopter. Whoever is commanding them should be warned that I will shoot the helicopter down. Enough is enough. That Tinubu will hand over River State into slavery. The Wike is nobody. Without this panaflexion, it's nobody. Wike is nobody. Let them remove this thing from him now. I think he has billions. He knows the market. He has bought guns for his men. Let them remove this thing from him. And let us see. Go and vote. I will go and vote. I will vote and you see me vote. Nothing will happen. We vote, result will be announced. Chairman will be sworn in and we will see. Chairman will be sworn in and we will see. I don't want to talk too much. We'll not talk too much. There's a military formation in this community. We did not look for their trouble. Your father mad is a mungu. You cowardly Igbos. Do you think I'm like you people?
Asari Dokubo, they threaten Wike. He say Wike they are using helicopter to surround his house. So I say we shot him. This man get mind though. This man doesn't give a F about nobody. You feel me? Even I guess Nigeria government is scared of this man, Asari Dokubo. Sure, that's what I'm saying because he's the only person who I see goes live in Instagram or Facebook having a gun, you know, pointing on live screen, you understand? So I think the Nigerian government, they like scared of this guy because the guy is so powerful, I tell you, bro. Like that work itself, I see is like that man a threat to Nigerians as well because the way they trend for news also these few days, bro. Like, what do you think about the video? Come leave your opinion in the comment section. I will feel like guys later. Peace.